Hello guys, a few minutes back I just found a nail in the front tire of my TVS Jupiter, and the nail is not much bigger, but though it is small, it has pierced right into the tire. But the pressure hasn't decreased in the tire. The nail must have pierced the tire 2 weeks back, and thankfully the tires are tubeless, and the benefit of tubeless tire are that when a nail pierces these tires, the pressure doesn't decrease, or it doesn't let the air come out. I'm going to remove the nail now. You can hear the air hissing. So firstly, I'm going to let the air out of the tire to decrease the pressure. And now I'll try and remove the nail using any tool. Here I'm going to use a screwdriver. And I'm sure that the nail must have got into the tire around 2 weeks back, because I had been experiencing a very light decrease in the pressure every 2 or 3 days, whereas the pressure remained in the tire for around 1 or 2 weeks before that, and I didn't really doubt that a nail must have pierced it. Right, let's take out the nail. Here it is. So I'm glad that the tire used in TVS Jupiter is tubeless, and luckily, though the nail stayed in the tire, the pressure never decreased. Now this is the tire repair kit that I purchased in the market for 270 rupees, and these are the what they call it, these are the worms, and these are the ones that are inserted in the punctured area to block the air from escaping. So first I'm going to widen the hole . And then we'll take out the worm from the packing here. Let's place the worm inside this tool. I'm not sure what this tool is called because I'm not an expert. I've already said that in my earlier videos. I'm also as ignorant as you are when it comes to servicing vehicles. Okay, once the worm is placed in the tool as is shown in this video, the worm is then pierced in the hole that we just widened. So all we are going to do is just insert the worm inside the hole and remove the tool, and the worm is just going to stay or is going to fill up the gap or the hole in the tire, and the excess that is left out will be cut using a blade. That's it. The worm is installed in the hole, and the excess is then chopped off or cleared using a blade. That's it. And then pressurize the tire by filling in the air using a pump. That's it, folks.